Okay, we're back at the field with the Extra 300. Just have a quick look at what will probably be my finalized setup for this plane. I went ahead and replaced the gear actually from the last time when this top half got chipped off. But I went ahead and dremeled off the edges here, so there's that little bend, so it won't rock back and forth and start to nick up the undercarriage there. I also replaced the wheels, the gears, with Dave Brown 2.5 inch wheels. The stock wheels are like 2.4 inches, and this adds a little bit diameter to the wheel, and it's also a little bit thicker, so I took the Dremel and had to Dremel off this side a little bit so it doesn't rub against the wheel dressing. And because it gave it a little more lift in the front, the wheel skirt started to drag. It was just dragging on the ground, so I had a spare tail wheel from my FMS F4U Corsair, and I put that in here, which gave it a little bit more lift, so I got a little clearance like the stock with the wheel dress and the main gears. This wheel works because it has this little knob sticking out, so it keeps it in place, and it's just small enough to fit underneath the bend here for the tail wheel. I also actually moved the elevator control arm up to the outermost hole in the servo horn to get more throw from the elevator. I noticed that more so at low rates, when it was at 55%, it felt like the elevator wasn't giving me the same level of response like the aileron and rudder were. So I guess the next flight will be first flight with the new setup, and I'll be testing out how the elevator feels.